Welcome, my name's Michael Fryer. I'm the pastor of Father's House congregation in North Wales. And at Father's House, we fully support Israel. We support the prophecies that you find regarding the ingathering of the Jews back to the land of Israel, and that is a miracle in our own time. We keep and support the teaching of the feasts and the festivals, which are God's festivals. They're His appointed times, they're His appointed seasons. And we also keep the Sabbath, the seventh day, the fourth commandment, as something which is holy because God gave it to mankind, that we would remember Him as God, the Creator. But we also teach on other issues, and many of these issues are things that you yourselves are being asked about as you celebrate feasts or keep Sabbath or deal with issues concerning the Torah, and the Torah being the first 5 books of Scripture. They are the laws that are referred to in our current translations, and they're God's divine regulations. In order to help with our understanding of that, I've written some booklets, and we're writing more booklets to answer some of the questions. One of the questions that we're asked is, you're being legalistic regarding keeping the Sabbath, so why do you keep the Sabbath? Well, I've actually written a booklet which answers that question, and it's called Legalism, Whose Sabbath Laws Do We Keep? And that explains a little bit about how Sunday has become a legalistic a day of worship rather than the freedom of the Saturday Sabbath. And in that booklet I talk about the Conventicles Act and Acts of Parliament which have prevented people keeping the Saturday Sabbath throughout history, throughout Europe and throughout the UK. So that might be interesting for you to read. The question of food often is raised, and I've written a booklet about that, why we shouldn't eat pork and shellfish, etc. That may help you. And also the question of Christmas and Easter. Is it okay to keep Christmas and Easter? And I've addressed that in booklets that you may find helpful. So if you would like any of these booklets, please write to us or email me on the email on the screen, or contact us through Facebook, and we'll get these booklets to you as soon as possible so that you can answer some of these questions. And feel free to contact us at any time over any of these issues. We want to help, and we want to equip the body of Yeshua, the King of the Jews, to be a people as a bride ready for the return of our Messiah. So bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.